If you guys want to know how to achieve this flawless makeup, no makeup look, keep on watching. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. We're only going to be needing a few products, so let's get straight into it. So first thing I'm going to do is fill in and outline my brows. I know some people don't like to do their brows first, but I just do them first because it's the easiest part. Once I'm done filling in my brows, I'm going to take my Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and start outlining them. As you can see, I started running out of concealer and I didn't realize till now. And make sure you guys are using a concealer that matches your skin tone. And I was like, hold on girl, let me clip my hair back because it was getting in my way. I'm just doing my brows how I would normally do them if I was putting on a lot of makeup. I still want it to look natural as possible, so don't put too much product on your brows. So now I'm going to take my little fluffy brush you use for eyeshadow and start blending the bottom part of my brow. Then I go in with my beauty blender and blend the top of my brow out. This is just a method I use. You can blend your brows out however you want. I just feel like the brush gives the brows a smoother blend. Now that I'm almost finished with the brows, I'm going to go back in with my pencil and fix anything I feel like that needs to be fixed. The last thing I'm going to do to the brows is put brow gel on so they can stay in place throughout the day. Trust me, it works. Next, I'm going to take a primer and rub it onto my skin. This is a hydrating primer because when I put on makeup, my skin can get really dry. Then I'm going to spray this hydrating setting mist for extra hydration and for it to give my skin a little more glow. I'm going to take the popular e.l.f. Grip Primer and press it into my skin so my makeup can last all day. Now finally the fun part. I'm going to go back in with the concealer I use for my brows and I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm just seeing how much I want to put on just to make sure I don't put on more than what I need. Now the key to this no makeup look is putting on minimum makeup so it can look like your skin. So don't apply too much product. You want to blend your concealer all the way in until it looks like your skin. I always start with one area of my face and then I eventually add more concealer to my face as I go and blend the rest out to make sure it's evenly blended. Now I'm taking my translucent powder and I'm only using a little bit because it's lighter than me, so I don't want to use a lot. And I'm going to pat a little bit under my eyes to give my face a more lifted look and cover my bags a little bit more. I'm taking a beauty blender and making sure there is no powder left over. Next, I'm taking my bronzer that's the closest to my natural skin tone so I can still have that natural look. I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and just patting it into my skin. I want to know the funny part about this bronzer. I actually brought the wrong shade and I was too lazy to take it back, so I just kept it. And I was like, maybe one day I'll put it to use whenever I feel like I need it. And look, today's the day. You can't finish the look off without blush, so I'm going to put on my powder pink blush and not too much. And then over the top, I'm going to take my peach colored cream blush and blend that all together. I do not recommend mixing cream blushes and powder blushes together because it was kind of hard blending it out. That's why I went back in with my foundation brush and blended it out with that. Lastly, you're going to put on mascara or false lashes. I have lash extensions, so all I have to do is just brush them, throw on any clear lip gloss that shows your natural lips, so this look can really come together. And finish it off with some setting spray. I'm going back in with the setting mist I used in the beginning of the video. And boom, there you have it, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. And make sure you stay safe and stay gorgeous. I'll see you guys in another video.